Hello, friends! It's a sweet time of year to celebrate your friends and family, and we want to help you celebrate with Hello Kitty and friends, including Friend of the Month, LittleTwinStars. Today, we're going to make some delicious and super cute cream cheese mints. These are perfect for parties, gifts, or just a sweet treat. Lala loves cooking, so we think she'll like making these mints. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 4 cups of powdered sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of salted butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, gold, blue, and pink food coloring. We're also going to use round, heart, and star-shaped cookie cutters, edible glitter, a paintbrush, a clay shaping tool, and a brown food-safe marker. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter until it's smooth and creamy. Then add 2 cups of powdered sugar. A dough will start to form. Add the vanilla and peppermint extract and mix. Yum! Smells delicious already. Now slowly add the remaining 2 cups of sugar. Mix until it's completely combined. Divide the dough into separate bowls and add a drop of food coloring to each one. Knead the dough until the color is evenly distributed. We're going to make pink and blue for Kiki and Lala's hair, as well as gold for their faces. Now let's shape our mints. To create Kiki, flatten out some gold dough and cut a circle out. Flatten it a little bit. Now do the same with some blue dough. Use your circle cookie cutter and cut a quarter of the circle off the bottom. Now place Kiki's hair on top of the other circle and use a toothpick or a tool to make indentations for his bangs. Now take a tiny circle, make an indentation in the center, and put this on top of Kiki's head. Add 2 little round ears to each side of his face. Use your edible marker to draw on Kiki's expression, 2 eyes, and his mouth. To make Lala, take your pink dough and cut out a circle. Form it into a bell shape. Use your heart cookie cutter to cut grooves out of the bottom. Now follow the exact same steps as you did for Kiki. Did you know Lala is Kiki's older sister? Draw on her expression, and we have our doubly cute and happy LittleTwinStars mints. To create star mints, flatten some dough and cut out a star shape. Now you can dust it lightly with luster dust to make it sparkle. Kiki loves inventing things, so we're sure he'll love to invent new shapes for these super cute mints. Place your mints on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let them dry at room temperature for about 24 hours or until they're firm. You can make pink stars or even combine blue and pink into a beautiful purple. Keep mixing dough together in different ratios to make a beautiful gradient of stars. And there you have it! Delicious homemade Little Twin Stars mints. Aren't they adorable? I hope you enjoyed making these. Don't forget to celebrate with your family and friends this holiday. And let us know if you'll be making this peppermint sweet treat this season. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And while you're here, wish Hello Kitty a happy 50th anniversary. We'll be celebrating 5 decades of friendship with super sweet surprises all year long. See you next time.